Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am unboxing my brand new diffuser. It comes in 2 boxes and you have the teardrop pedestal, and then I bought the Prosper diffuser, which this is what it looks like. It's like still beautiful fall colors. Okay, and we're going to show you how I put this together. My name is Beth. I'm your independent Scentsy consultant, and I just got my diffuser not too long ago, and I'm setting it up for the first time. These are the new spring scents, the spring oils. So we have, let's see, this is sometimes doesn't work very well, so I'll just tell you. Orange strawberry melon. We have caramel vanilla strawberry, aloe geranium, blackberry basil, cotton blossom tangerine, watermelon red berries, and the one that I'm using is the pineapple coconut lime, since I thought that would be really good for spring. So this is your base, the base that comes with it. And basically I already put my water in. Sorry, because I was running and had some difficulties while trying to get this together. But you put the water in, you put a few drops of your oil in. Okay. And then I'm going to put the base on it, and it just sits on it like that. So I'm going to come down here and show you. These are your 2 controls right here. Let me get that out the way. This is your power. These are your lights. Okay. For the power, if you press it once, you get a high mist, which I can hear it running, and it may be kind of hard to see once it gets going. And that'll run about 4 hours. Oops. Sorry, my TV just went off mute. Where's my mute? There's my mute. Okay. And then if you press it again, you get a low mist. Oh, there it is. I don't know if you can see the mist. A little bit there. Yeah, it's coming through. And that low mist will run about 8 hours. Then you turn it again, hit it again, and it goes off. Now, if you want to run this intermittently, like an eco mode, you press and hold it for 1.5 seconds. I don't know if you can hear it come on. And then it'll run for 4 hours, or until the water runs out. If the water runs out, it turns off automatically. Now, this little button over here is for the lights. We have 16 LED lighting effects. So, when you want lights on, you press once for highlights. Press again to dim them. Well, actually, it's going all across. So it's going to scroll through all the different colors. Green, more of a green, blue, and kind of like a white. So I'm going to turn that off. And then, so the white light modes is if you hit it once, that's high. If you hit it again, that's dim. If you hit it again, you get like a candle effect, which I think is really cool. And then you hit it again to turn it off. But I like that candle effect, so I'm just going to let it blink. Now I'm going to turn my light off and see if we can get a good... Here we go. So let's scroll through the different lights. Off. Alright, so here we go. Oh, I have to hold it. So if you hold it for 1.5 seconds, look, we're all learning. Then we have the blues, the pinks, the reds, kind of like orange, more yellow, more green. It's hard to see in this. There we go. More greens. That's a better green. But I'm going to turn it off, And I'm gonna, I like it flickering like a candle. And that's it, easy peasy. When the water runs out, it'll turn off. Since I have it in eco mode, after 4 hours, it'll turn off. And immediately my room smells amazing. If you want to know more about our diffusers, put a comment below, send me a message. Visit my business page, Scentsational, S-C-E-N-T, Sational, with Beth Skavarka. Or you can check out my website at bethskavarka.scentsy.us. Y'all have a great day.